We get asked all the time, what should I put into my recycling bin? Well, the question actually has two answers, which will make your job easier, I promise. The first answer is there are 5 things we're currently able to send to market to be recycled. Cardboard, broken down with the packaging material removed. Metal cans, just have to empty them, don't worry about removing labels. Empty aluminum cans, plastics number 2, like milk jugs and detergent bottles. Just empty them and take the caps off. Plastics number 1, like water bottles, food containers, caps off and empty. The second answer may surprise you, and here it is. Put any other clean paper and clean plastics into the recycling bin as well. If it's made from paper or plastic and it's clean, we'll separate that material and use it as an alternative fuel to help a local company make cement. How easy is that? If you think it's recyclable, put it in the bin and we'll take care of it. Thanks for your help moving our community toward a more sustainable future.